Good afternoon, sanibonani bafethu. Ninjani niyaphila? Let's hope niyaphila. Nibingelela umfoka Mkhonza. Ntambama nje. Asibonga kakhulu kuyiMonday namhlanje siyanibonga ngokuthi nibe khona la. Siyanibonga kakhulu. Ake ngithathe leli thuba elikhethekile. Thuba eli special. Ngamukela lonke ama new subscribers to this channel la ku YouTube. Ngiphinde ngamukela lonke ama new followers to this channel. Ku TikTok. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu good people. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu. Ngibonga ngconcozo ngendlela enisubscribe ngayo kule channel. Ngiyanithembisa ukuthi angeke nize nibhoreke la ekhaya. Ngeke nize nibhoreke. Channel yenu it's about izinto ezinithintayo. Yingakho nila. Ngikholelwa kulokho mina. So ngiyanamukela kakhulu. Bese ngicela bonke abangasubscribe abaviewer ama videos la ukuthi nani please join us, please subscribe. It's free of charge. Awuchargewa lutho ngokusubscribe. Just press subscribe. Kuba lula ukuthi ubone ama video mangiqeda nje ukwa-uploada la. Ube uqala ukuthi wabone ulalele konke engikushoyo bese siya discussa. Lama comments wenu la ngiyawafunda wonke. Yabona nje mawungibona ngiwa-like kusho kona ukuthi usuke ngiwabonile and ngiya-enjoya kakhulu ukufunda ama comments wenu la. Nami ngiyafunda kini. So ngiyacela nikhululeke please comment and share. As long as singathukani nje sakha izwe lethu. Ngiyanibonga ke bafowethu. Cha akukho okuningi namhlanje. Ngithi nje angizoveza la ukuthi after inkulumo kaPresident Ramaphosa izolo kukhona into eyodwa engifuna ukuyincoma nokuyibonga la. Ikakhulukazi ngiyibonga ku March and March nabo bonke abantu aba-involved kulama march enzakalayo eMzansi namhlanje. Umsebenzi wenu uyabonakala kakhulu ma-marchers, uyabonakala kakhulu bantu ba-South Africa enenze ukuthi ugovernment especially upresident we-country ubaba Cyril Ramaphosa akhona ukuthola umlayezo ovela kini. Ngasho nje ngithi izwe nilinyakazisile. I-March and March izwe ilinyakazisile. Bonke aba-involved kuma-march against illegal foreigners bayenza ukuthi umongameli abanothise abarecognize. Ingakho izolo aze azithola emiphambi kwe-nation e-addressa i-nation ngendaba ezithinta ama-illegal foreigners. So lokho kukodwa kuyanitshela ukuthi i-consciousness noma ngathini unyakazisiwe umqondo we-South Africa. Abantu base-South Africa ba-conscious njengamanje ngokuthi kufanele kwenziwe something. The government must act kulezi zinto ezenzakalayo ezweni njengamanje. So lokho is ngathini it's a win. Mina ngayibeka kanjalo. It's a win for ama-marchers, it's a win for it's a win for ama-marchers, it's a win for i-March and March especially okuyiyona elida lama-march enzakalayo njengamanje. Even noma kukuthi akukho njengamanje okwenziwa upresident, even kukuthi akukho njengamanje okwenziwa ugovernment immediately, but the fact ukuthi upresident sikhonele kumsukumisa eme ngenyawo azo-addressa i-nation kuyakutshela ukuthi i-pressure njengamanje uyayifila. I-government njengamanje iyayifila i-pressure ngalesimo esenzakalayo, ngale ikhalo ezenzakalayo eSouth Africa. Angeke ngingene kakhulu kuma details ezinto ayishilo upresident, but into engayisho nje ukuthi kukhona into ayishoyo njengamanje. Ngifuna ukuphawula ngalokho. At least kukhona into ayishoyo njoba sibonile ukuthi uthi uzokwenzani nge-Home Affairs, uzokwenzani nge-border trying i-BMA, Border Management Authority, uzokwenzani ngabo bonke abantu abathintekayo kule ndaba le esikhala ngayo yama-illegal foreigners. Sizwile ngathi uzoletha even ama-courts mayesho azodila ngale ndaba yama-illegal foreigners. Sizwile nokuthi ama-refugee camps azomuvwa ayeduze nama-border and all that. The fact yokuthi khona akushoyo manje nokuthi action igovernment ezimisela ukuyenza manje, it means something. Yebo siyazi ukuthi vele sometimes banokukhuluma into bangayenzi, banokukhuluma into kugovernment ngenjongo yokuthi bafuna ukusithena amandla, bafuna ukwenza ukuthi sehlise ulaka, but I'm happy mina ukuthi kukhona okwenzakalayo. Iyona nto bengiloku ngisho la kuma video ukuthi government sukuma ukhulume something noma sukuma usitshele ngama action ozowathatha from now kuya phambili. I'm happy. Yiloko nje le video is about that ukuthi i-consciousness kwi-government engathi ikhona njengamanje ngoba bathintekile kuhulumeni, yingakho upresident ezovela phambi kwethu. So which means bayasizwa manje abantu ba-South Africa ukuthi sithini, and bayabona ukuthi kukhona into enkulu engahle yenzeke kulelizwe uma bengasilaleli. So I'm happy ngokuthi kwenzekile lokhu, uvelile upresident wazo address nation. Sizobe silosixoxa ke ukuya phambili njengamanje ukuthi yini njengamanje esingayisho noma esingayi-encourage kubantu base-South Africa. Sithathela kulezi zinto eyisho president, ngizwile amaqembu ezepolitiki nama-organization a-different reactor to i-speech sika-President Ramaphosa esho izinto eyi-different, bebonisa ukunganeliseki ngezinto ayishilo, nokuthi ayikho action immediate azoyithatha ngendlela okubukeka ngayisimo. Ngiyakuzwa that is very important. Sizokudiscussa lokho, sibuke ngakunye kungama reactions avela kubo March and March, avela kubo o Action SA, o ATM namanye nje amaqembu aphawulile, o EFF njalo njalo aphawulile ngale ndaba yokukhuluma kwa president ngendaba yama illegal foreigners. So kubuka lokho ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. The main point namhlanje ukuthi ngizovela nje la ngithi ngizoncoma mina onke ama-marchers ukuthi umsebenzi wawo awenzayo woku-raise i-consciousness about illegal foreigners in the country, sengathi ama-results ayavela, engathi ama-fruits ayavela njengamanje umsebenzi omkhulu abawenzayo. So ingakho ngizothi lana asingayeki ukuqhubeka nalama march, asingayeki ukuqhubeka especially lama march under i-March and March because ibonakala organized, because yenza izinto ngendlela esemthethweni, nge-order and everything. Asupporte ikakhulukazi i-March and March, iyona mina ngendlela engibuka ngayo ezokwenza izinto zenzeke kule country. Why? Because yenza izinto nge-order, yenza izinto ngomthetho, but i-firm at the same time. Yenza ukuthi i-government inyakaze because i-raise i-consciousness yabantu, yenza abantu ukuthi basukume benze izinto ezibonisa ukuthi bayafuna ukushintsha isimo salelizwe, but bezenza under the auspices of amaphoyisa, ama-authority, kunomthetho ohlonishwayo. Yilokho kubaluleke kakhulu. Lelizwe lizolungiswa yibo abantu. So nje yilokho bengifuna ukusho kule video. Akukho kuningi ukuthi uPresident Ramaphosa nikhonile ukumsukumisa abantu base-South Africa ukuthi azokhuluma athathe nezinqumo ezizoshintsha lelizwe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Sibelieve kuloko ukuthi kukhona manje okuzokwenziwa, at least bebarelaxile behleli. Ukube bewangekho lama march, ngabe uPresident Ramaphosa akayishongo zonke lezi zinto azisho izolo, lama action athi uzowathatha no government wakhe izolo, bekungeke kwenzeke. It's all happening because of ama-efforts e-March and March, ama-efforts abo bonke abantu aba-involved kulama march enzakalayo to raise that awareness. So ke sizokubuka konke lokhu ukuthi ke ngabe kuzokwenzeka yini, kuzokwenzeka kanjani mangabe kuzokwenzeka lokho kusho upresident akuthembisayo. But njengokwamanje ngizoncoma mina bonke abantu abamashayo, ikakhulukazi i-March and March nabo bonke aba-involved kwi-March and March and all that. So ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu, kuningi okusazolandela esizokudiscussa moving kuya phambili. So engakusho nje ukuthi njengoba ngike ngasho ngaphambili, okuningi vele sizokudiscussa la manje, it's about ama-march enzeke eSouth Africa, especially ama-march aqondene nobugebengu, crime, the high crime rate, unemployment nama-illegal foreigners. Yike sizogxila kakhulu kuko la njengoba sibheke okhethweni nge-4 November. Ngizophinda ngikusho lokho, uma ama-political parties ezimisele ngokubona abantu be-South Africa bevota nge-4 November, awasho something ngendaba yama-illegal foreigners, awasho something nge-high crime rate eyenzakalayo ngezinto esizibona koMadlanga Commission, ko-ad hoc committee kaMkhwanazi ePhalamende, awasho something about the recent issues ezikhulunywayo njengamanje South. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi amaqembu epolitiki eme kuphi ngale zinto ezenzakala eSouth Africa njengamanje, because ngikholelwa ukuthi ivoti labantu base South Africa njengamanje njengoba sibheke kwi-phone of lizobe li-based kakhulu ekutheni i-political party ithini, isithini stance sayo ngale zinto ezenzakalayo njengamanje eSouth Africa, especially kulamamashi. So yilokho okuzobe sisikhuluma ngako kakhulu sibheke ku-4 November 2026. Ngiyabonga umfoka Mkhonza ke lo. Ngicela again ukuthi uma ungaka-subscribe, please do subscribe, be part of this channel ngokuthi usubscribe uphinde ufollow na ku TikTok ku free of charge. Yiloko nje, ngiyanibonga kakhulu umfoka Mkhonza lo. Thank you so much.